Hello everyone, welcome to Salsal Academy. I'm Ali, your mathematics instructor. Today we are going to work out or simplify this exercise 1 start from EDXL book or Pearson. We simplify this exercise here. Simplify and write each of these as a single fraction. So here we have 6 over 21. We should simplify. How we can simplify? We can divide both numerator and denominator by 3, or we write as a factor here. Instead of 6 we can write 2 times of 3 is 6, and also instead of 21 we can write 3 times of 7 is 21. Now we have common denominator here is 3. We simplify. So the final answer is 2 over 7. This is the final answer. The same we come to question number 14. Here we can write instead of 14, 2 times of 7 is 14. And 21 we can write 3 times of 7 is 21. Now here we have common factor 7. We can simplify or cancel. Just only remains 2 over 30. We come to question number 3. Here 15 over 90, we can simplify 15 multiplied by 1, and also 19 we can write 6 times multiplied by 15. It means 6 times of 15 is 19. Actually 15 is the common factor between 15 and 90. Here we can simplify 1 times of 15 and also 1 times of 15. So the final answer 1 over 6. And the next question here we have 105 over 165. We divide both numerator and denominator by 5. 2 times of 5 is 10. 1 times of 5 is 5. Here we simplify by 5 the same. 3 times of 5 is 15. We have 1 beside 5 become 15. Also the same, 2 times of 5 is 15. Now we have 21 over 33. Also we can simplify, and we go ahead. We can write 7 times of 3 is 21. And 1 times of 3, that means 11 times of 3 is 33. So the final answer is 7 over 11. We come to question number 5. Here we use the simple method because the decimal place in numerator and denominator are equal. We directly actually ignore from decimal point from both of them because the number of decimal places in numerator and denominator are equal. So actually it's equal to 7 over 14. Now we simplify. 1 times of 7 is 7, and 2 times of 7 is 14. So the answer is 1 over 2. The same we come to an question number 6. Here also we have the same number of decimal places in numerator and denominator. Both of them are equal. We directly ignore from a decimal point. Actually it's equal to 12 over 32. Now we can divide it by 4. 3 times of 4 is 12. 8 times of 4 is 32. So the answer is 3 over 8. And we come to question, and next part is this table. Here you should copy and complete this table. Given fraction in their lowest term. So first we have 5 over 16. We should convert to decimal. Copy and complete this table. Given fraction in their lowest term. Here you have 2 options. In some option the exam permitted or allowed us that we can use calculator. If you have permission to use calculator on that time, you divide 5 by 16. So here I use both method. First the calculator. In calculator you just divide. Now it's okay. Equal to 0.100 3125. We have 3125. This is the answer. But if you don't have permission to use calculator on that time, you use long division. Actually here we divide 5 actually divide the 5 over 16. Here we have 5 divided by 16. We write 16 here. Now we add 0 point here, and we add 0 in the right side of 5. Now we take 3 times of 16 is 48, and we subtract. Here remain only 2. Now we add another 0 and bring down this 0 the right side. Here we have 20 divided by 16. 1 times of 16 is 16. We subtract and remain only 4. We bring down another 0 and we add here and divide by 16. 2 times of 16 is 32. We subtract, only remain 8. And we bring down another 0 here. Now we have 18 divided by 16 give us 5. 80 divided by 16, 5 times of 6 is 30. We write 0 and we have 3. 5 times of 1 is 5. We add 3, become 8. So the remainder is 0. The answer is 0.3125. The same here we have in the next question. 3 divided by 40. So here the same, we divide 3 by 40. 3 divided by 40. We use the long division method. Divided by 40. We add 0 point here and add 1 0 to the right side of 3. It becomes 30, but 30 is not divisible by 40. We add another 0 here and add 1 0 here. Now it's divisible. So we take 7. 7 times of 0 is 0. 7 times of 4 is 28. 7 times of 0 is 0. 7 times of 4 is 28. And now we subtract 0 minus 0 is 0. We borrow 1 unit. 10 minus 8 become 2, or remain 2. 2 minus 2 remain only 0. Now we add another 0 here and we take 5. 5 times of 0 is 5 and 5 times of 4 is 20. So the remainder is 0. The answer is actually it is equal to 0.075. We came to question number 9. In question number 9, we should convert 0.35 to a fraction. How we can convert to fraction? Here we use we have 0.35 To convert the fraction, here we first draw a fraction line and we write 35 in the numerator. 1, we assume this is 1. In decimal point, we assume it's 1, and we add 20 because we have two decimal places. You add 20 to the right side of this one. It became 35 over 100, but it's possible to simplify. To simplify, it's divisible by 5. We divide by 5. 35 divided by 5 gives us 7. 7 times of 5 is 30. 5 2 times of 5 is actually 10, and we add 1 0, so the answer is 7 over 20. This next question we convert here we have 0.357. we write first we plot a fractional line, and then we write this digit to the numerator 375. We assume 1 is as decimal point as 1 in the numerator, and we add 3 0 to the right side of this. Then we, if possible, we should simplify. If it's divisible by 2, so it's actually by 5. It's divisible, so we divide by 5 both numerator and denominator. In the numerator, 37 is divided by 5. 7 times of 5 is 35. We have 2 beside 5 become 25. 5 times of 5 is 25. It means 375 divided by 5 gives us 75. And in the denominator, we divide by 5. 2 times of 5 is 10. We add 0, the same. Now it's also divisible by 5. 3 times, it's divisible by 25. 3 times of 25 is 75. And 8 times of 25 is 200. So the final answer is 3 over 8. We write here 3 over 8. This is the final answer. Okay, thank you for watching, dear students. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. If you have any question or comment, you can write in the comment below.